Hey everybody, Troy Seifert here with the Capital Area Real Estate Specialist in the Greater Lansing, Michigan area. I'm a top producing realtor in the Greater Lansing, Michigan area, and I get phone calls all the time from people who are just like you, people who are looking to potentially move to the Greater Lansing, Michigan area from all over the country, from Idaho, from Nevada, from California. I get inquiries all over. And so if you're looking to move here in 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months from now, feel free to contact me at any time. Call me, text me, email me, or schedule a Zoom call with me. That's the thing I like to prefer, seeing you face to face. All my contact information, it's in the description below. So feel free to contact me anytime. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. We are the #1 YouTube real estate channel in the Greater Lansing, Michigan area. Have new content going once or twice a week, so you're not going to want to miss when we have a new episode going live. And also, if you could give me a thumbs up or a like if you like the content of this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, so walking in here, you can already see the vaulted ceilings. And right here, when you walk in and going over to the right-hand side, and then when you first walk in off of the entrance, you have your $1 million view right here. And this is gorgeous here. I mean, definitely it's a summer day here today, so beautiful sunny skies. And a lot of times people with lakefront properties, they might just want to have a summer home. But the thing that's unique about this one is that it could function as a year-round property. And if you look right over here, there's a gas fireplace. So when it does get into those chilly Michigan winter months, you still feel like you're in a house that's cozy and comfortable. You can see hardwood floors all throughout this house. And you will also see that the trim has been painted white by these current owners. It used to be this old oak trim. So very little work needed to be done just in regards to trim, paint colors, neutral paint colors as well. So you got the open concepts, the flow is awesome because you can still have views of the lake right here from the kitchen, solid surface granite countertops. You got the high-end Jen Air appliances. These appliances are not cheap. They're not just like the low-end appliances that you can get. So you can see plenty of counter space right over here and plenty of cabinet space as well for all of your cooking needs. And then you see a nice little, almost like an eating kitchen area where you can have your dining area, and it still overlooks the lake. So you get nice views of the lake. You also have tile floor here. This isn't just cheap flooring here. And walking down the hallway here, you have a nice sized laundry room area with shelving as well. Perfect for like lockers if you want additional storage space. Right over here is a full bathroom with updated vanity. And then over here, you have an office area that could also serve as a bedroom because it also has a closet. So plenty of storage over there. Just depends on like what your needs would be for the place. But definitely some flexibility on the floor plan there. And as we continue going towards the garage area, is where I'm headed, you got some nice additional storage space with 2 closets. And then what the current owners use this for, they have a nice walk-in pantry space that you could use for that. You can use it for other, but they have plenty of storage needs for all of their food. And then one of the best rooms in the entire house is the primary bedroom. Large space, cathedral ceilings, but also tray ceilings, some skylights that flood natural light inside of here as well. And then right off of the primary is a 4 Seasons room that has awesome lake views as well. I mean, you can kind of see the lake from here, but you want to have a morning where you're just trying to take it easy and relax. Perfect place to be able to do that and just at the lake. Then of course, if you're gonna have a primary bedroom that is as luxurious as this, you need to have a luxurious bathroom as well. And the current owner has done a lot of work inside this bathroom. They've replaced the countertops, they painted everything white in here, modern light fixtures, and then they also are in the process of having a newer walk-in tile shower as well with a glass door. You can see the space that's here. You also have a clawfoot tub that they inserted inside of here. Plenty of space for your makeup or whatever you want to put over here as well. A linen closet, and then the walk-in closet. Gotta learn to push, right? Okay. Inside the closet right here as well, like decent sized space to store anything that you would want. And then coming from the bathroom, you have a nice size walk-in closet, and then also another walk-in closet across the room. There's also 2 walk-in closets inside of this primary. Okay, let's continue with the tour over here. And let's head upstairs. So coming upstairs, you walk into an extremely large recreational space. Now with lake homes, a lot of times they are on crawl spaces. You're not gonna have like a full basement. So the upstairs almost serves like a basement, especially when with this house you had everything on one floor. You had your primary bedroom, your laundry, anything could function on one floor. Here on the second floor is what many basements would potentially be as well, because right in this rec space you have a wet bar, you have an exercise area, you have a TV space. Again, vaulted ceilings, skylights coming in as well. You have a sauna that stays with the house. And then I'm not gonna bore you with storage, but a lot of times people with homes that are on crawl spaces always complain that there's not enough storage. And again, I stated there's a 4-car garage, so you have storage for that. But also behind this door is plenty of room for storage. I'm just not gonna take you in there because really, you don't need to see it, right? It's okay, it's storage. And then right over here, this is like a hidden gem of the house, because this is a bedroom, vaulted ceilings as well, soaring ceilings, and even the current owners have stated that this bedroom might have the best view of the lake as well. You can see the views head on right over here. Maybe if you have multiple kids, you'll give this to your favorite child. I don't know, we'll see. So let's continue on with the tour. You have 1 full bathroom right over here, and then you have another bedroom. So 2 bedrooms upstairs. This has cathedral ceilings, but then a loft area upstairs as well. And that completes the second floor. So what I want to do right now is take you back outside, kind of share with you about the landscaping, the story, just the progress that the current homeowners have made with it. You're not going to want to miss seeing the landscaping. So let's head outside. And I wanted to end this home tour by taking you to the most beautiful part of this house, the outdoors. You look behind me, you will see the siding. It looks like it's brand new because it is. They replaced all the siding around the entire house, and they also replaced the roof as well. When you come out here, the story I kind of wanted to share with you is when the owners first bought this house, there was just brush, there was a huge tree, there was no view of the lake. And the owners, when they bought this house, said, you know what, we're going to remove all this, we're going to create beautiful sight lines throughout the entire house. And so, like I said before, they invested $100,000 into landscaping. That was tearing down the tree, removing all that brush, creating a nice private beach, creating a fire pit, creating these nice pavers right here for a patio all throughout with the sidewalks leading out to your own private dock. No expense was spared for all of this work that they did. And that is rare to be able to find. And another thing I just want to point out is that you don't have a neighbor to one side of you. You have this protected wetland area over here, which is rare. Again, you're on a more private street, but you just kind of feel like this is your own private oasis as well. So again, you guys, I thank you so much for seeing this video home tour. I hope that it was just as amazing to be able to see this house and to be able to maybe see some potential of what Lake Lansing has to offer in the greater Lansing area. If you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because I'll be giving home tours, I'll be giving you vlog tours, I'll be giving you pros and cons of all the different suburbs here throughout the greater Lansing, Michigan area. And if you're looking to move here in 9 days, 90 days, 9 months from now, whether it's this house, whether it's another house, reach out to me anytime. So contact me in the information below. It's in the description there. Call me, text me, email me, schedule a Zoom. I'd love to be able to talk with you. And again, thanks so much for watching. And until next time, make it a great day. Take care.